Good morning, America. It's the DJ, ready for another day of making peanuts. We lost some peanuts today. Took it on the nose, but we positioned ourselves for riches later on in the month. We'll talk about that. Sandisk. Were you watching Sandisk today? Stock went crazy in a negative way. Got a new hat here. Got a new PGA hat. Highly discounted at Menards. $4 for this hat, Garrett. Garrett, my golfing buddy, I got a $4 PGA hat with a little thing on it here, too. Yeah, I don't golf, but I can wear a golf hat. That's for damn sure. Let me bring the music down. We'll talk about the stock market. All right. Today's Friday, but yesterday was Thursday. See how I figured that out? I'm pretty smart when it comes to dates. But anyway, yesterday, Thursday, January 8th, we lost 7K. 7K in the market. We took our lumps across the board. Everything was down. AMD, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Palantir, Palo Alto Networks, all dealt us a loss. It wasn't so ducky. No, it was not so ducky. And but it was a day for opportunity. Let me just say that. We made 4 purchases yesterday. We bought some Chevron. We bought some Netflix. We bought some NVIDIA. Since it was down, we bought some more NVIDIA. And we bought 2 different purchases of Sandisk. Sandisk has been going crazy. It's been going like this, and then yesterday in the morning, it hit its all-time high, I think 360, and then it dropped like a rock. It dropped like a rock. But that's what we look for here. That is what we look for here. Take a look at this graph. Take a look at this graph, and it'll kind of explain it here. This is a 5-day graph for Sandisk. This is yesterday, right here. It hit the high in the early morning, and then it came down. We bought like right here, and then towards the bottom, but not at the bottom. And then it kind of came back a little bit, and we made some money yesterday. We made some money on a stock that actually dove down poorly. So during the day. So we made $700 so far. We're still holding on. Let me get this camera situated. We made $700 yesterday, and we'll hold on to that for, I don't know. It's not a very highly rated stock. It's rated D, so it's kind of not a very well looked upon company, but it also has a quarterly report on January 29th, so we might hold on to it. We might get rid of it. I don't know. We'll see what happens today. Probably hold on to it for a few days at the very least. So that's what we did. And the video was down. Probably $3-4. Bought some more of that. Can't lose with NVIDIA. And Google, love Google, but yeah, yesterday was a down day. It was a down day, but like I said, those are days where you have to look for opportunity. So for the month, we're $14,000 up. That's okay. That's all right. We're making money slowly. It'll be slow until we hit the top of the hill, and then the rock starts heading downhill, picking up moss and energy, and then everything just happens all at once. So hold on. I'm looking forward to the Netflix quarterly report. That's my hope for the month. Hope for the month is the good old Netflix on January 20th. It's coming, my friends. In 11 days. 11 days, we got a quarterly report. Hope you're enjoying these videos as we teach you how to do a little day trading and the concepts involved with making money in the stock market when you're day trading. You're either taking advantage of opportunities or buying into something and dollar cost averaging and hoping that it goes up and dumping when you've made enough. So, our goal here is to, if we can make 5 to 10% off a stock purchase, we're like selling it. Unless it's one of our core stock holdings like NVIDIA, Google. I think that's about all I have right now is NVIDIA and Google that are my core. I've got a couple other ones where I'm underwater waiting for them to correct themselves so I can get out from underneath them. But that happens too when you're day trading. We try not to take any losses here because if you're buying decent stuff to begin with, there's no reason why you would need to take a loss. So, but we've got a couple of stocks. Microsoft that comes to mind, and who knows what else we got out there. That's AMD's down big right now, but who knows? We're holding on to this stuff. I hate to take a loss. I hate to take a loss. We only took one loss last year. Check out the video a couple days ago where we tell you about all the moolah that we made in 2025 that we're trying to replicate here in 2026. So come along for the journey. It's a day trading journey by a retirement dude. That's me, DJ Stocks, and we're trying to share with you guys how to make some money in the stock market. Other people like buying gold and silver. You can make money on that. Some people like investing in real estate, but you can make some money on that too, but that's a lot of work. I'm too old for that. That's a lot of sweat equity, right? If you want to make money in real estate, you got to do a lot of the work yourself. A lot of the painting and repairs, and you can spend a lot of time and energy chasing the real estate bubble there, but never really got into that. Maybe if I was younger, I would do that, but too old for that now, guys. Too old for that now. Don't have the energy for real estate. So there you go. And I hate paying people to do things that I can do. There's the key. There's the key. I hate paying people to do things that I can do myself. So that's how I've accumulated my riches is learning how to do things myself. So there you go. Well, welcome to the channel. If you made it this far, hit the like, share, and subscribe bell. Be part of the community and make some money with us. Yeah, come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Just come along and make some money with us. All right, over and out. It's DJ Stocks here from Chicago. Over and out.